Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to improve the battery life on Windows 11 computer. So we'll be doing very easy steps. It will take hardly a minute to fix that. So let's get started. So here, the start icon, just do a right click and then click on settings. And once you are in settings, click on system. You'll find display, sound, notification, focus, power and battery. So when we click on power and battery, we get this option: power, screen and sleep, and power mode. Here we have battery saver as well. There is one thing which we need to focus here is the power mode. Optimize your device based on power use and performance. So currently I can see it is selected on balanced, and if you want your battery not to be drained very soon, when your top priority is the battery, you can select best power efficiency. You can select that, or you can select the balanced. So if it is already in balanced, you can select the best power efficiency. See the performance, how exactly it is. If it's balanced and if it's working for you, this will actually save a lot of battery, and the battery life will be better as it will not be drained very fast. Turn on the battery saver. Here you can select the battery percentage, at what percentage you can select. So if you want like 40%, 50%, or if you want it at 20%, you can do that. And lower the screen brightness when using the battery saver, you can turn it on. These are the few basic things which you can do, and trust me, these very small things, change the battery life drastically, because you don't have to keep the charger every hour just to charge your laptop. Let me know in the comment section if it has helped you, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.